Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing FairBridge Inn Suites Cleburne. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. FairBridge Inn Suites Cleburne is ideally located near Southwestern Adventist University and Cleburne's rodeo grounds. This hotel is also close to Fossil Rim Wildlife Center, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Lake Whitney State Park and the Splash Station Water Park. The Texas Amphitheater, also located minutes from this FairBridge Inn Suites. Acton State Historic Site and downtown Cleburne are also nearby. Hotel guests are invited to enjoy many amenities and features like free wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper and fitness center. Your morning breakfast is full of hot options to start your day. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. A seasonal outdoor pool is provided for guest enjoyment. This hotel offers business travelers the convenience of access to copy and fax machines, as well as a meeting room. Refrigerators, irons, ironing boards, hair dryers, coffee makers and cable television are included in all rooms. Non-smoking rooms are available. Be sure to ask about rooms with whirlpool bathtubs. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.